In this video, I'll show you how to delete a library on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is launch up your Final Cut software. Now, once that's launched up, you're going to go to the far right where you see the Final Cut Pro title. Because I'm using a trial version, I have Final Cut Pro trial. If you have a paid version, you're going to get Final Cut Pro. You're going to click on it and you're going to click on settings. Now in the settings, you're going to come to import tab and you're going to ensure that your import tab file settings is on copy to library storage location. If it's on leave files in places, it means you're going to have your library scattered in different places. But if it's on here, it means you're going to have it in one location. Now, once you have this, you're going to close up this tab and you're going to come to the far left of your Final Cut Pro door and you're going to see where it says library. If you hover over it, it should say library, but you're going to see it as a cinema kind of. So it says show or hide the library sidebar. So here, once you click on it, you're going to come to the first project, which is the folder. So this is a directory system, but you're going to come to the first directory that's on here and you can see it's untitled, but let's put Final Cut Pro here. Now if you do this, you're going to right click on this first folder here and you're going to click on reveal in Finder. Once it's revealed in Finder, you're going to go ahead and close your Final Cut Pro software. Now you're going to highlight on the folder that has been reviewed in the movies folder and you're going to choose the Final Cut backups also. So you're going to highlight these two files and what you're going to do is you're going to move them to your trash. Now once it's moved to trash, you're going to empty your trash can and you realize that once we close this and we launch Final Cut Pro again, it's going to load up as an empty it's going to load up empty projects here and it's going to create a new folder called untitled for you. Now that's how to delete a library on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.